Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright. See what we got going on here today. Stihl MS. I'm not sure if it's a 192, 193. You know me, I'm a mess. You guys know more than me. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough and the one sound. I also gonna do a video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor esperen. Alright guys, remember, so for parts, this is a broken machine, this is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged, it's broken. I sell for parts. If you want to fix it, as on you, it's the biggest of the mistake you can make. We're clearing that. You can see the oil there, but it's dirty. You can see it has a lot of debris inside. That means you gotta clean that tank. Okay, we got here on the flywheel, it's good. Okay, I like that. You still can see a little bit of yellow, which is dirty. That's good. Down here I can see a little invention there. It's not well done. You have the acceleration here. Okay, we can see here acceleration is getting stuck. It's not going down that much. Let me see why. It amazes me because it's a little rusty there, the carburetor. You see a little thing there, you have to work a little bit on it. Now that if you push it, it's going to go up, down again. Let me double check. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Oh, something inside here, the spring, the push bar, maybe it's broken, and that's what it is. That's why it's not coming back. You know. Let's see what we got going on here. You can see here a little break there, but I guess when it get hot, the muffler wasn't there when it came. That means okay. See inside that. Came with a muffler. See if we can get a little shot there. I gotta move the pistol with one hand, sorry about it. Yeah, you can see that whether it's dirty or it's just crushed. I will have to blow out a little bit there to see where we're at. Let me blow it. See, it went up. Come on, right there. You can do it ways over here. Okay, but there's a shadow coming. I cannot tell if it's a much scratch or a little bit of. Well, remember guys, I'm trying to be the honest I can, like that. When you receive the machine, you can be honest with me. That's why you see me taking a little bit of time. The springs here, I can see one already broke. Tells me that all of those springs are not good. You got water on sometime there. That's not bueno. And you can see there the cover went off. Everything is inside there. That's good. Okay, something that I stop and usually, you know, always I do the test, give it a shot, is this. When I put this spark plug, I don't know if I'm putting the wrong one, but it looks like they did what I always recommend. You gotta be careful is when you put it, you're gonna use a machine, you first put it by hand and then you use the machine. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe, but somehow it's a little escape there. And I'm not gonna give it a attempt. I'm not gonna try. When I see that, I stop. Anyways, the handle didn't come. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that for parts. It has to still have a lot of good parts that you can get stuff. But all right, you have it here. Remember, guys, any questions? I'm here. Thank you. Hola, mi gente. Que me dice la raza. Que se une la raza. Ya vieron ahí que paré porque vi la parte donde entra el spark plug. Lo veo como un poquito, ¿cómo se dice eso? Que está un poco movido. La bobina sí funciona. Le hice la prueba al coil y sí funciona, pero no quise darle con la máquina por eso mismo. ¿Sabes? Por si acaso, pero me parece que hay problema ahí. De ahí para allá ya saben, tiene bastante piezas buenas. Los springs estos no los veo bien, ya veo uno partido, me voy a entender que el otro seguro está un poco debilucho. Bueno, ya saben, cualquier cosa aquí estamos, que se una la raza.